Good day, it's Rondie, and I just want to give thanks to all the subscribers. This is my kitchen, and today we're gonna make some lunch, right? You guys been watching my videos. Thanks for watching the videos. I have this amazing video to upload. Sometimes you see the cooking show, sometimes you see me filming the family and the herbs. Angela, I have another great show coming for you. It's called Mystic Morning. Yeah? And based on my type of shows, you could comment, tell me what you like and what you don't like. Tell me what you want more of, yeah? My program is about healthy living. It's about natural living, nature. I'm a country boy. I'm from Jamaica, and I plan to do different variety of shows. Yeah. So a toast to you and your life. That tea is very cold. All right. Welcome to Rondie's Kitchen. Let's do this. Today we have our famous coconut milk. You know that we did the coconut milk in the other show. Look at this. Even when the milk shake, you know, it leaves on the glass. So you're not going to buy any more milk. Now you're only going to use coconut milk. All right? From this point onwards, coconut milk. That's the only milk you're going to use. Okay. So we're going to deal with coconut milk from now on and leave it at that. So I'm going to take the coconut milk. I don't like rules and regulation. What you learn about me is I'm free. So why would you put lemon in milk? That probably not going to taste good. It's coconut milk. So when I cut the lime, I just cut off the top. I break all rules. I like to break rules. Rules are for men, right? And I take the whole lemon like this, and I just throw it in the blender. The skin of things is sometimes very important, but we keep throwing things away. I know I'm not in Jamaica right now, so I just throw the whole lemon in there. People said to me, don't mix your fruits. I break rules. I don't like rules. I keep the skin on, right? This little thing right here, when it goes in your intestine, it cleans the wall of your intestine. Oh boy, Rondie's just a rule breaker. Why do you have to be such a rebel? Yeah, man. So today's lunch is kiwi, lemon, mango, and cucumber and aloe. If you want to find out what it's good for, Google it. Seeds. Now for the cucumber, I'm going to peel this one because I didn't grow it. I don't trust the cucumber. There's a certain amount of toxic that's going to come into my system. I like my skin, you know, and the mango, I'm going to peel the mango. So there's some things that I will peel, and we're going to put some kale in this also. If I had more time, I would put some Cersei tea, some bush tea. So for substitute, you could use, I always use coconut milk. The cholesterol value in here is good for your cells, all right? But whatever you're doing in your life, Google it, find out. I'm trying to be a naturalist. I'm not a vegan, but I'm trying to now live a more healthy life as I grow older. So with my aloe, we'll cut that up, and we'll just throw the whole thing in the blender. That's where the lemon comes in. It kind of kills that raw taste, you know? Now my honey could be a lot more natural At the moment, it's not the purest honey. But I do with what I can. I'm not a fanatic, yeah? So this is what I'm dealing with right now. See that? Cut up that aloe. Big up Native Answers. Big up Angela Burke. And my other sister in Mystic Morning. I want to thank these people for coming in my life. And I just heard that Mystic, you know, she's going to be on my show next Saturday. Mystic also does some cooking. She's a powerful spiritual Jamaican woman. You know, Mystic is powerful. No, check out the Rondie movement now. I'm going to cut off this and I'm going to take a piece of this skin here and I'm going to wash this piece right here and I'm going to put it in the blender. Every weekend you should do a washout. And the washout consists of aloe, ginger, whatever you're making, just make it. So this is lunch. Yeah. And you know, so when you go to the bathroom, you know, and you eat, when you deal with all this aloe, it'll be at ease. Yeah. And you know, when I blend the aloe, I don't taste it much. You know. So this is your new life. You're going to lose a lot of weight hanging around with me. I've lost some weight since I started blending. So subscribe to the show. Here's my mango. I could peel it. I'm not going to use the mango skin. It's like, Rondie, I can't believe you're using the skin. You won't taste it. When you come to Rondie Hotel, don't be afraid. Do not be afraid of the dark. Yes, my sister and my Ijin and my brethren all over the world. Yeah, this is lunch. So you peel your mango and healthy eating create positivity, you know. And you put it in your blender and that's it. I do not believe in rules. I believe in naturality. I believe that my body will separate what it wants and what it doesn't want. I believe in the spirit that if you feel for it, you can have it. You want to have some steak later? Have some steak. It's all about frequency. How frequent do you eat steak? I say eat whatever you want on the weekend. In the weekdays, you could keep it light with salad and you do a smoothie. You want to eat pig? Go eat pig. You want to eat meat? Just don't do it too often. The meat turns on the cancer in your body. Okay? Later on, we're going to do a curry chicken. Yeah? And I'm going to put some of the coconut milk in the curry chicken to make the gravy. I'm going to blend some kale to get that green liquid to cook the chicken. Yeah, naturally. So with my coconut milk now, I pour in this. Look how beautiful that looks. And I could put some honey in there. All right. And then I'm going to wash my kale. And we're going to come back and put the kale at the top of it to add the gravy. Give thanks. I'll be right back. All right, we're back now. We have the kale. We're ready to blend. So what we have again, mango, coconut milk, kiwi, aloe, 2 lime, kale, some water, and we're gonna blend this bad boy. You ready? Let's get ready to blend. Yes, we're back. Let me talk to you for a second. Now, that's what you call power. Hmm? I'm gonna have to bottle this and ship it out to you guys. Now, I threw some ice in the top of it. I feel good. I'm gonna taste this. I know I'm gonna taste the lemon. Yeah? So let's hold it over the sink. Yes, yes, yes. Look at that. That nice green blend. Let's taste this. Let's see. Yes. So what the lemon does, it overpowers anything in the mix that might make you feel, you know, the lemon helps to trick your taste buds. You feel like you're drinking lemonade, but it's not lemonade. This is very refined. It's liquefied. It's a power drink. Do it on the weekends. Yes, this is Rondie power drink. Yes, yes, it's good. So I'm gonna take my metal containers. I try not to use plastic. I'm gonna put it in these metal containers, and I add some ice cube to give it a little coldness. And I have bottle containers and I have metal containers. All right. You pour this in your metal containers. Keep it in your refrigerator throughout the day. You drink 2 of this for the entire day. You clean out your system. You power up yourself. And tomorrow, this is it. It's that easy. It's more lemony than anything else. Look at that. It's power. I drink a container of this entire blender. This entire blender is what I drink per day. This entire blender. That's my liquid intake. So, a toast to life, a toast to health, a toast to your family, a toast to your weight, a toast to you living longer, enjoying this one life. Your blender. Until next time, keep on blending. Enjoy yourself. Look out for my next show. You're gonna love it. It's in the mountains with Patrick. Look out for the Mystic Morning. Yeah, check your emails. When you subscribe, hit the bell and you'll be notified when the show is up. And leave your comments, you know. Blend the show and send me a link. Powerful. Love, light, blessings. Enjoy.